A new day, Tuesday now. Oh, it's the first. Pinch punch. It's the first. And it is absolutely chucking it down. So I don't know what I'm going to get done today. I was going to start the carpet, but to me, I don't know whether it's a bit damp to be able to do that. Don't know. I'll put tape up there ready as though I don't get spray glue on it. So that's 3 meters from this to the cab. It's 10 foot. And it is also from that corner, right the way round, down to that step, is also 10 foot, 3 meters. So I need a piece now 10 by 10. Which is a shame really, because we've got a cut out in there. So, yeah, 10 foot by 10 foot. I've got to try and find me new blades as well. So, yeah, another shit day. I got to go back in. What did I forget? I forgot something. And I thought, well, I need a cup of tea as well. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, another day. Shit day. 11:32. The wall is carpeted. The 2 bases are carpeted there. That's carpeted on the edges. And then, ta-da! The cupboard is in. I can't step back anymore. The cupboard is in. I haven't put the dividers in it. Ta-da! That one's in as well. That took me an hour to put up. But I'm chuffed to bits with that's in there. That extra bit of carpet there is okay because there's a small soffit going in there for the downlighting. I think I did that on purpose. The only thing is I had to do was put an extra L bracket underneath to support it, because it was that tight against the ceiling. You know, I've jacked it up. I've used the jacked it up, and fixed it in there. So let's see if I can fire a step back. There you go. That's all that side done, except for that I haven't tidied that up. But I gotta take the glue off somehow. I've got glue remover, but I tried it down there and it took the paint off. Left the glue and took the paint off. So I've just got to start on that end now in a while. I don't know whether I am or not yet. I sort of try and get this end. I might start on that bulkhead. If I could find the roof lining out of a semi-high transit, I would, because this is the high, the semi-high comes up to that height, right? So I'll gain an extra 6 inches, 8 inches, well, 10 inches of height for the cab, for climbing through, for walking through. You know, when you are sat in that chair, you know, you can sense the ceiling's not far above you. I would have liked to have moved that up, but I can't afford to do that, because you can't see in here, but all the brackets, all the bolt holes and everything are there for raising it up. But I can't raise this one up because this one's too big. I'd love to, because then that would give me a parcel tray at the top, on the top lip, across the front sun visors. Got a Walkie Talkie on. But anyway, I am well chuffed. All these still open and close, nice and tight now. That's bolted down now. The seat's all in and bolted down. I haven't put the duct in across the back yet. Of course now there's not enough ply left over between that lot, that piece in the back, to make either door for there. It might be enough to do shelves if I do it in pieces. It's strong enough to go in pieces. Oh, hello, Cooper. So I've still got the cabling coming through the wall there, because I will put controls either there or down lower. I think I'll go down lower, below that. Put them in there, just to keep them in off the edge. You know, otherwise I'm going to have to make a box to go all the way across there. And if I take it in from that end, look at all the bloody glue everywhere. It's stuck to all the hair on the back of my hand. Come off. Yuck, I hate it. Right, that's the update and the reveal of the front cupboards all in. They're all dusty and covered in glue. There's bits of glue everywhere. I carpeted first and then I put it up, but of course they're in the van with me, and those little, when the jet goes the wrong bloody way, if you've left it for 5 minutes, it dries off on the nozzle and then shoots in every direction it wants to. Anyway, that's the reveal. Ta-da! Done the front bulkhead. Only thing is, I haven't got a door for it yet. And we did boo-boo up there a little bit. Is what it was I stretched it too much, and I had a fair overlap, right, with a crease in it. So I cut the crease, right, and I cut it too much at the bottom. I'll just stuff up a little bit in there and glue it in. But the hole's there ready for the switchboard. Put some finishing touches to it. There's one in that corner. That one is just cosmetic. It's not covered anything, but that's where the bow of the van is. So I had one up there before, and it's got another one now, which finishes that corner off lovely. I think it finishes that corner off lovely. But anyway, there. That's all set in there. Still haven't lined that out yet or insulated it, but I'll get round to that. That's not stopping me from working on the van. You know, that's just again cosmetic. It's not a concern to me at the moment. So that's it. I've as good as done it all now up the front. There is some PVC window lining in Hereford, but it's too far for me to travel, and I can't afford it yet anyway. So I'll get it when I can. It's chucking it down a rainlet, and it came down that heavy. It blew in with the wind. It blew in that far. So I shut the door. As simple as that. I'm gasping for a cup of tea and I don't want to go and get wet. Right, that's all that's left out of my first bale. Another bale down there, which is going to be plenty to finish that off up there. So that's what I'm not far off about to start. I won't start it today. I won't start doing that end today. Is what I'm going to do is get the drawers. There's 2 more drawers down there. I'm going to empty them, because you can see, you know, everything that I took apart off the van is in those. And I'm going to put it in there to finish this unit off. So that's good. It don't rattle no more. I'm chuffed to bits with that now. Say I could take all these bloody stupid catches off. I don't say they're stupid. They kept the bloody door shut. And you know, how much is a cable bracket clamp? So I can take all those off, and now I can know that they ain't gonna come open whilst I'm driving. What else? Daughter's taking the car to work, to school. Well, to work. She works at the school, so she gets priority parking. But we've proved the fact that when she goes to school, she walks every day. Fair dues to the girl, right? And she doesn't get no lighter. But she can walk to and from school about 10 to 15 minutes quicker than you can drive, purely because of the solid traffic. And it'll be a big traffic jam today with all this rain, and we're forecast an awful lot more. Right, getting on with it. Right, Wednesday morning, 8:45, and I've only done these two so far. They got the push button, but I've put the stays on them so they stay open when I'm putting my baked beans in there, and then close them and lock them up. Same with that one. That one's a little bit stiffer. He wants a bit of wax on him. Right, I haven't done that one because I've only got 2 clamps, and I've only got 2 stays at the moment. The rest are in the old cupboards. So that one all works, but there's no stay on him, obviously. And that's it. That's what I've screwed those up this morning. I've been out here since 8 o'clock. I just tidied it up a bit, and I'm frightened to death. I'm gonna stick my eye into that one. Well, even although it hits me in the forehead, not in the ear. Already got a scratch on my head from it. So that's just hold the door open whilst I'm doing it. So that's it. I've put the interior lights in there. They're in there, and I've run the cable through, and it comes through into here, because as I said, the switchboard is going to either go there or down a bit. I'd rather it up there. Yeah, I'd rather it up there. Get it up there out of the way. Although if it's down there, I can reach it when I'm sat down. I got to stand up to do that. Never mind. Right, I might start. I'm going to get those 2 drawers out, as I said. I'm going to finish this end off first. So I'm going to put the 2 drawers in, put the catches on them. I'll put those 2 drawers in, put the catches on them. I'll put the catch on that one. That'll see me up to dinner time then. I'll finish this end off as much as I can. You know, because it's usable now. You know, I've only got to put the slats back across there and put the mattress back on it, which I haven't got yet. But I will be using the mattress, the cushions that came out of the old build, just temporarily on there until I can afford a mattress. Are you seeing how much a bloody mattress, the foam for mattresses are? Oh, I can't afford that. But he's definitely 6. What did I say? It was 6'2" or 6'3", lengthways, and he's definitely 4 foot wide. So he's just a small double, 4 foot small double. I did screw those on, so those come off, no problem whatsoever. And that one, it's just finishing touches like that. I might make a third one and put him in that corner. I don't know. If I carry on doing that, you know, I'm going to have to do it for them all. But you know, really, it's only to hide any discrepancy. Is what I'll do is I'll just quickly whack that one off for you if I got the thing going in the right direction. Right, I've taken him off. I expect there was a bit of glue on there still left on. Yeah, see, that's what you get. You know, because the boards want to go upright and want to go square in there, and that is the cross member that's up there that loops round, so that sits in there lovely, just to cover that gap up. Well, it stays there on its own. So I've showed you why I've done that. She just fetched me a cup of tea, and she a good girl. Right, progress so far. Let's go for a walk round there. Whether you can see the time on there. Yeah, 10:21 just turned. I've done those 3. They're all done now. hoovered out. She just gave me her prized possession. And Ark. Eaton's just come back on because I opened the door. I put a handle on the door there, right, and I've also put a safety catch on him to stop him flying forwards. And it's a lock one. It won't open. It won't normally open. No, it is opening now. It doesn't normally open for vibration. Yeah, it's locked. It's locked. So, is what you got to do is you got to push him in and do it, and then you can open the door. A bloody mess in there. So that's done. That's done. That's done. That's done. That's done. Not got round to doing that one yet. That one, I don't know what I'm doing with that one yet. I haven't got the ply to be able to make that one up there. But other than that, that's how long it's taken me. I can't remember what time it was when I said last time. And it's taken me that long now to drill those and put those in there. The trouble is I got holes, so I'm going to have to fill those, and I will paint those by the looks. They'll have to be painted. They'll either be painted, and because they're already varnished, I might even get some of that sticky back stuff to go on it. Don't know yet. Depending on how much that stuff is a roll. Because I don't want the blue I had in the back last time, although I've got half a roll of that. I don't know. If I do happen to have a spare one of those chrome ones, I will put it in there just to match. But my OCD I'm not worried over that. The fact that it's closed, it doesn't rattle. This one rattles a little bit, but you know, I don't think I'm going to hear that driving along. Because once the weight's in them, you know, it balances them out. So, yeah, I still haven't taken that frying pan out. Dirty boy.